I'm Ejisu from Unless. Let's see how you can highlight industry-specific information on your content pages to increase conversion. When might you need this? Would you consider your current content strategy a success? Are people looking for information online and finding themselves on your website? That's great. Next step is to ensure that when they read your blog post, they don't leave as an anonymous visitor. Does your value proposition change depending on your customer's industry? Then consider this recipe to personalize your content pages with relevant recommendations and CTAs for different industries. Recommend an article or ebook relevant to their industry or suggest they sign up for your newsletter. Make that interaction last with the help of personalization. Start by identifying a couple of industries that you tend to work with. You can then use Unless to create audiences for each industry. It is possible to target broad industries or get very specific by making use of something like standard industrial classification codes. Then it's time to see what can be optimized on your website. Your headline is the first thing visitors see. Personalize it by industry to spark their interest. Say you're an analytics vendor targeting companies in different industries. Your headline for financial services can be the #1 analytics solution for banks and insurance providers, while your headline for logistics companies can be the analytics platform trusted by the world's leading logistics companies. Got your visitors' attention with a personalized headline? Keep them hooked with relevant content recommendations. Does your visitor work in banking? Display case studies and white papers targeted at financial services companies. Do they work in logistics instead? Show them your logistics case studies. You can add these in just a few minutes using Unless's inline content blocks or an overlay component such as a sidebox. And of course, the CTAs. Some industries have a longer sales cycle involving many different stakeholders. For these visitors, a CTA like "Get started" may not be as effective. Instead, try displaying CTAs like "Learn more" or "Talk to an expert." And to wrap it up, let's take a look at an example, this time from our very own website. We set up this overlay to encourage interested visitors who have been on a blog page and read a portion of the post to book demos. We know they're already interested in Unless since they're reading about a specific subject on our blog, and the component acts as a simple nudge. Knowing that our message resonates well with certain industries, we have added more industry-specific information and visuals to ensure the visitor that they've come to the right place. First, we have the retail example with a slightly adjusted headline and a different visual. The second example focuses on SaaS businesses, once again with an adjusted headline and different image. An alternative to these examples could be to recommend a different piece of content, like a relevant case study. So for a visitor in the retail industry, we could highlight our CrowdWatch use case, while someone from the SaaS world sees a case study about CGS. That's it with this recipe. Until next time.